water. That's real water right there. Oh shit! What the hell? You get me wet. Oh man. Oh shit. I'm in the water. Oh, he got skates on. He gangster. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know. I'm ready to find out how you gonna get off here though. He fly? Oh, I gotta go back through some water. Oh man. She done got me up here. My fucking socks are all wet. This shit's nice though. Huh? Yeah, it do. Oh, look at dude. He's gangster. That nigga's an animal. King Kong ain't got nothing on him. Alright. Let me go first. This is crazy. Yeah. Yeah, that motherfucker. Nah. We made it. Crossed the waterfall. We some G's. Y'all ain't never crossed the waterfall like that before. That's bigger than Niagara, baby. You know what I mean? That's the Louisville Niagara Falls right there. Boy, little bro, man. We just went to Louisville Niagara Falls, nigga. And it was amazing. Had a good time. What a function? Behind you? We hollered. She wasn't about to function. We just crossed the Niagara River. You know what I mean?